Alright, so the 2013 Ford Escape, we're going to change the horns. We have these replacement ones. Comes in a pair. Comes from Autozone. Alright, it's about $24, $26. I'm going to replace it with these. Alright, we're going to have to do something with the wiring, because the factory ones, these two are wired to here, and then there's two wires that come out. So I want to do something with those wires so they all work as a pair. Alright, so we're just going to transfer them over, remove this nut, and take it from there. Hold on. Alright, so we mounted them and we oriented them in such a way so that the terminals do not hit the bracket. Okay, now if you're pointing this way, so one won't be shooting behind it and one is shooting on the bottom. This is the way it's going to mount on the frame. Alright, sounds good. I actually like the original nuts with the captive washer there as opposed to the bootleg ones with the lock washer. And of course we don't need those brackets. Alright, let's see, now we're going to wire it up. Alright, hold on. Alright, so here we are with the modification of the aftermarket horns. Alright, two wires running in. I had to cut the plug. This is the plug right here. Alright, there's black for the ground, yellow for the power. So, there's no polarity on these horns. So the two grounds are the green connectors in the back. And then I put the power to ones on the top. Alright. Made them nice and neat. Put them on the bracket. Then I'm going to tuck them in the bumper there, but let's test the sound of them first. Alright. They're not going to sound like the original ones. Okay, so hold on. Stand from out here and we'll beep them. Ready? Yeah, sound good? Alright, so now we're going to go and reinstall these buggers. Alright, hold on. Alright, so now that it's all mounted in, okay, it's time to put the bumper back. Alright, I'm not going to show you how to put the bumper back, but it's simple. Snap this back into the fender, the 3 10mm bolts, and then around this fender skirt, 7mm bolts, and then on the bottom, running across the bottom, is a bunch of another 7mm bolts. And then you're done. Alright, that's it. Ciao for this one. Enjoy.